Hey heroes, Mike River Gray here, welcome back to another video, where today this is going to be the start of the beach vlog. So basically what this is going to be is we're going to a beach in Destin, and it's going to be really awesome, and I'm going to vlog all of it. So I'll have a kind of beach series on the vlog, and it'll be pretty awesome. So I've been woken up really early in the morning. I just kind of woke myself up, and we're about to go on a road trip to get there, which is going to take a very, very long time. So I'll vlog a little bit of that, but I'm not sure how much of it. But yeah, so I'll see you guys then. We're on our way to Destin, and my mom's in the back seat because she was too immature to sit in the front. So we'll be there in about 8 hours. I guess we just arrived at the hotel, and the view is awesome, so I will quickly just show you that. Alright, enough talking, let's go down to the beach. Okay, so we're leaving the beach right now, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that montage. Alright guys, coming at you with a quick update really quick. So, as you know, I broke my foot, but it has gotten better in a way. So now I don't have to wear the boot, but I have to wear a brace, which is fine. And so right now we're on our way to dinner. We have Hope, we have Cade. They wanted to be in the vlog. First needed to make a quick stop to get Suicide Squad.
No, stop.
Actually, Pepe. So we just finished dinner, and we ate at Pepe's, which I'm just gonna call it. We're going to Walmart, so I'm gonna have to be secretive.
I'm gonna be so popular after this.
Is it on?
Yeah. No. Gosh. Oh my gosh. It is so crowded.
Kate doesn't like to sit
I
in the
really
middle.
like that. We should do that more.
Please put the light down.
Yeah, great. You kind of picking
We're about to go crab hunting, and I can't show Cade because he doesn't have a shirt on, and he's too ashamed of his body. It's really dark outside, but we gotta kill some crabs because we're good people. Thanks for the light, Hope. Oh my gosh, guys, we found the Dude Perfect sand castle that they made in Destin. That's awesome. No, don't kick it. It's a relic.
Yeah, a relic. I'm gonna make it.
Dude, look at that little.
Hey, what's up? Mr. Krabs!
He's looking for SpongeBob.
Hey, what that?
Oh my god. It's Mr. Krabs. Back for revenge. Oh my god. Stop trying to
I'm sure if it bites me.
They don't bite. Cade caught one in his hand right now. And he is scared. Yo, Hope. Yo.
Oh, stop.
That thing's gonna pinch you.
Wait, is that thing? It got pinchers! Frick off me, dude!
All
Get it
crabs
off.
have pinchers.
Hope, stop.
Oh my gosh.
See, he's okay. I want him on me. I want him on me.
that is going to bring this video to a close. And I'm very sorry if this was a choppy kind of vlog, but I had to edit it all tonight and get it uploaded either today or tomorrow. So I'm sorry if it was choppy and everything. But as always, God bless, and He will want true believers. Thanks, Hope.